Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhamad Haikal bin Ismail. I will presenting my final year project title, Bibliometric Study of Solid Phase Extraction Optimization for Organochlorine Compounds. This study focused on analyzing global research trend related to the use of solid phase extraction or SPE in organochlorine compound analysis. Pesticides are persistent organic pollutants that remain in the environment for a very long time. These compounds are toxic, bioaccumulative, and can pose serious risk to both human health and ecosystem. One of the main challenges in analyzing OCP is that they are often present at very low concentration and within complex environmental or food matrices. Because of this, solid phase extraction has become one of the most widely used sample preparation techniques, as it improves sensitivity, selectivity, and reduce solvent usage. Over the years, research related to the SPE optimization for organochlorine analyzing has increased rapidly. However, these studies are scattered across different journals, countries, and research groups, making it difficult to clearly understand the overall research direction. Bibliometric analyzing is a systematic and quantitative method used to analyze published scientific literature. It helps to identify publication trends, key contributors, and research gaps. In this study, bibliometric analyzing is used as a strategic tool to organize a large volume of existing research and provide a clear overview of how research on SPE optimization for organochlorine compound has evolved globally. Despite the large number of studies on organochlorine extraction using SPE, there is currently no comprehensive global overview of the research landscape. As a result, it becomes difficult to identify key contributors, research trend, and emerging topic. Without this overview, researchers may unintentionally duplicate previous work or overlook important research opportunities. Therefore, a bibliometric approach is needed to systematically analyze and map this research field. This study has three main objectives. First, to analyze global publication trend in organochlorine extraction using solid phase extraction from 2014 to 2025. Second, to identify key contributors in this field, including leading journal authors and countries. Finally, to identify major research themes and emerging topics based on keyword analysis. From the literature, OC pesticides are known for their persistent and environmental risk. SPE is preferred due to its efficiency, reproducibility, and compatibility with modern analytical instruments. Recent studies focus heavily on the optimization of SPE parameters and their application in environmental and food safety monitoring. This study used bibliometric analysis as the research methodology. Data were collected from the Scopus database covering publication from 2014 to 2025. The search was conducted using the KITAS keyword. VOS Viewer was used for network visualization, RStudio for keyword analysis, and Microsoft Excel for statistical summaries. One of the main findings of this study is the strong growth in publication output over time. From 2014 to 2018, the number of publications was relatively low. However, after 2019, there was a significant increase in the number of studies published. This suggests growing awareness of environmental monitoring needs and advancement in analytical techniques. In terms of journals, Trend in Analytical Chemistry emerged as the most influential journal in this field, indicating a strong focus on analytical method development. Other journals such as Molecule and Foods show that research also extends into applied science and food safety. From the country analysis, China was the most productive country in terms of publication volume, followed by the United States and several European countries. Meanwhile, countries such as the USA and the UK exhibited higher citation impact, suggesting strong research quality and influence. This finding also highlight the importance of international collaboration in the research area. From the author productivity analysis, several authors were identified as key contributors based on their high number of publications, and the most productive in publishing article is from Jiang Yi. For keyword analysis, revealed that pesticide and sample preparation are the dominant themes. The frequent reference to food safety and toxicity indicate application-driven research. The presence of mass spectrometry and emerging contaminants show a shift toward advanced analytical technique and new environmental concern. Overall, this analysis provides insight into both established and emerging research direction. From this research, a comprehensive understanding of how organochlorine extraction using SPE has evolved globally. Then, knowing how to identify influential journal and author is useful for future publication planning. Most importantly, this study helped recognize research gaps and emerging trends which can guide future experimental research. Based on the finding, several recommendations can be made for future research. Future study may expand the database sources to include platforms such as Web of Science and PubMed. Experimental validation can also be integrated with bibliometric finding, especially in the development of green and sustainable SPE method and novel sorbent material. In addition, strengthening international collaboration may further improve research quality and innovation. Conclusion, research on organochlorine extraction using solid phase extraction is rapidly growing. With a strong focus on optimization and application, this bibliometric study successfully analyzed publication trends, identified key contributors, and highlighted major research themes through keyword analysis. Overall, the findings demonstrate that bibliometric analysis provide the valuable strategic insight and can guide future research planning and environmental monitoring efforts.